Okay, so writers, we talked about how you can, we're now in the editing phase of your writing. So one of the things you want to do is look for anything that you see has color in it, and you're going to go back and fix those. For example, you can see that this has a blue. The blue usually means there's kind of a grammar error or something to do with spacing. So if I click on this, I click back, and you notice the blue line's gone, so I fixed that. And here you see red. So if we look at this part in the, you can see that the problem is I forgot to put a space, so it doesn't know what that word is. So you can just add a space. Let me go back here to see what's wrong. I still see it. I think what's gone here is that I didn't put a double space after my period. And then you notice here it says grading papers, and it says receiving multiple papers online can be, and it has nightmare with the blue line, because nightmare should be a compound word. So I go back and put that, fix that. And then you see then I have a period and it says the first time. I'm sure you all know the reason that the is not capitalized. It's because, the is blue because it's not capitalized. So I can just go back and I can hit the T and make it a capital. And then I'm going to continue to look for anything that is red or blue. This one has red, meaning the spelling is incorrect. I can right click and then it shows me options. If you spelled it close enough to the correct spelling, then it will give you the correct option. So I can fix that. And then as I come here, it says open. This is incorrect. The first time I opened by, I don't think it, I think it's supposed to be my. So let's see if that fixes that. And it does. And then I still have this problem. So I'm gonna go back up here and see what's wrong here. So I've got period and a double space. I think that's, don't know what's wrong here. So go like this, there. All right, so now the other thing I can do is now start adding pictures or changing some of the fonts. So one of the things we talked about is making the titles noticeable. So I can highlight this, go up to this screen here. I can make this larger if I want to, and I can also change the font to any one of these. I could make the title larger so that it's noticeable. And I can go here to where it says color, and I can make it a different color. Now remember, it's going to be easier for our readers if we always make the titles look exactly the same. So I'm going to go to my next title, which is grading papers, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing. I think I made it 24, and I'm going to change it to red. So before I can add pictures to this, I need to have this on a different page. I want each chapter on a separate page. So what you want to do is click before the, where you want the page to separate, go up to insert, and you're going to go to break, and then you're going to hit page break, and it's going to create a separate document here. There you go. And now you have the opportunity to add some pictures. Go here. Making a mistake here.